spread, huh? Okay, kind of tapers off right there. And there. Okay, we got something. That's quite the... We got a... Okay, okay. Honestly, that might be a little too big. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Can we bring you up? I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Let me your little wings. Okay, now we're comfortable. Okay, so this one. Would you stop? I'll get some measurements, but that's a healthy foot. Right? Moves, right? See that? Okay, yeah. You're hitting yourself. Now this one here, okay, we'll be real gentle. It's kind of tucked in, and it doesn't, but you can see she stands on it. You see all that? 3 little dots. So there's a way to Velcro attach, but this is very stiff. This is very hard here. So we can get, okay, watch yourself. You can attach it. It's full length. It's the same exact length as that. I'm sorry, you can't see that. They're the same length. So it just doesn't extend. This extends. So it does add a little bit of length. You know, this adds length. This. So I'd have to get, I guess, however long this is, from this bone to here is important. Because that's the problem. Oh, wait, where is the problem? Oh, from here. The length is from this bone down. So let me get some length. From this bone. Okay, yeah. Down on the dollar bill. Let's go this way. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll put you away, okay? So we'll just, right there, it looks like, if you had to go the full length of the foot, okay, we're like right here, measuring that way. I don't know what else you need. That's today, though. And she's gonna get bigger, so let's figure it out.